Welcome to Easy Kids Arts. Today we are drawing a cute frog. Let's start with the eyes. Draw two big round eyes. Add a small nose and a happy smiling mouth. Next, draw the head nice and smooth. Now continue with the round body. Add the front legs with little fingers and draw the back legs big and folded. Finally, add some grass around to make it look nice. Don't forget to draw some lily pads and a little water around the frog. Great job! Now it's time to color. You can also color the cheeks with soft pink. Use light yellow or cream for the belly. Color the body with green. For shading to make it look more lively. Color the water with light blue and the lily pads with green. And done! Your cute frog is ready! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next drawing. Bye!